Okay, so good day. No, today we're going to have this topic, no, electricity. So, okay, what on what's mo meaning electricity? So all things living or not, are made up of atoms. Atoms are the building blocks of matter. So everything here na nakita nato, everything sa atong surroundings, they are made of atoms. Okay, atong ballpen nga ginagunitan, yung sapatos nga ginagunitan, that made up of atoms. Then ang mga hayop kita, we are also made up of atoms. Okay, so an atom is a tiny particle which cannot be seen even with an ordinary microscope. So grabe kagamay. It contains smaller particles which carry charges. So na say mga charges. The positively charged particles in an atom are known as protons, while the negative charged particles are called electrons. So na positive and negative. So ang positively charged particles in an atom are known as protons, then ang negatively charged are known as electrons. No, as you can see, diha as a picture. Okay. A neutral atom has the same number of protons and electrons. A charged atom has an unequal number of protons and electrons. So remember, no, neutral atom, they have the same number of protons and electrons, but the charged atom has an equal number of protons and electrons. No, so look at the simple model of an atom with a proton in the red color, and in the middle, and an electron. So, muna siya. Okay, electrons are loosely attached to atoms, and this enables them to move to other atoms. So, muna siya, no? So, electrons are loosely attached to atoms. So, naka-attach sa atoms, then that's make them enable them to move to other atoms. No? An atom that has more protons than electrons is said to have a positive charge. So, kung ang usa ka atom mas daghan siya protons, no? It means, no, said to have a positive charge. On the other hand, an atom that gains electrons will have more electrons than protons and is said to have a negative charge. So parang borang mga battery, no? So electricity can be described as the movement of electrons. No, we have this kind of electricity. We have the static electricity. No, when you witness a lightning strike, no, kung makita ka ng lightning strike, you are looking at static electricity. Static electricity is the result of an imbalanced electric charges in an object. So naay ingon nato nga imbalance. Okay, static electricity occurs when atoms build up charges. So occurs, no, ang static electricity occurs when atoms build up charges. Kung mag-build up sa charges, diha niya siya mo occur ang static electricity. Okay, when atoms are charged, electrons move. Lightning happens because of the build-up of charges in clouds. So that's why there's a lightning happens sa clouds, no? Because atoms are charged, no? Electrons move. Okay, electric current. It is described as flowing electrons. So ang flow niya, and it can flow only through a material. Electric wire serve as the pathway for electrons to flow. So that's the purpose of mga electric wires, no? So para makita nimo mga electric wires diya sinong balay, electric wires na sa atong mga gadgets, so that diha mo flow ang electricity to supply, no? To supply. Okay, unlike static electricity, is electric current can flow only through a material. So mo na siyang ginagamitan of mga electric wires. So key points. So matter is made up of particles called atoms. So an atom has smaller particles in it which carry charges. The positively charged particles in an atom are known as protons, while the negatively charged particles are called as electrons. An atom becomes charged when it loses or gains electrons. Electricity can be described as the movement of electrons. Static electricity occurs when atoms build up charges. Electric current can be described as flowing electrons. So that's okay. So that's what we call the electricity. No, that's the description of electricity. So thank you.